Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Alright everyone, your girl is back. I'm doing okay, and I'm back to share with you a Glam white and gold using crushed glass Valentine's decor to share with you. Valentine's decor doesn't always have to be pink or red. You could use other colors. Whatever you like to inspire you, you can add those colors to your decor. So I came up with an idea, and I'm coming on to share it with you guys. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the ideas that I have to share with you. So if you'd like to see what I came up with today, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started.
Alright everyone, I have this vase here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be sectioning it off with some painter's tape. I'm just going to take the painter's tape and just make some patterns going all along the vase. As long as I have you by my side, I'm alright, There's no way that I can do this all by myself, Ooh, you stay on my mind. Now that we have taped off our vase, I'll be using some of this clear crushed glass that I got from Michael's. And I'll be using some of this Mod Podge to lay down the crushed glass. Right now, 'cause I need a woman that's so vibey. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing, so vibey. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing, yeah. She's so vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving. I don't wanna see you walking, no. And when I'm finished placing the crushed glass on our vase, I'll be setting it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, so now our first layer is all dry. I'll just be going back over our crushed glass with some more Mod Podge to help seal it in to our vase so I won't have any of the little crushed glass pieces falling off. And now that I'm finished sealing in our crushed glass, I'm going to remove the painter's tape. I don't want it to fully dry with the painter's tape on there, so I'm removing it from now, and then I will once again be setting it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, while our vase is drying, I have these two heart shapes, that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this white acrylic paint, and I'll be painting the two hearts white. Tell me why you may not hear. Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. And now our hearts are all dry, so I'll be going in with this Glam gold chain from BB Craft, and I'll be using some of the Gorilla Glue to glue it going around our two hearts. You know he should be it should be. When summer comes around, yeah, he should be around you. Yeah, he should be. And I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him, yeah. Okay, now our vase is all dry. The crushed glass is nice and sealed in. And I'll be using some of this gold ribbon strips here that I got from Amazon. And I am just placing it throughout the vase in our open spots that we left without the Mod Podge. Go down, yeah, now making my moves, yeah. Ooh, you know, yeah. Just tell me when the lights go down, yeah, making my move, making my move. Okay, I've finished adding the strips. So now I'm going to add some more of our Glam gold chain to our vase using the Gorilla Glue. I won't let them defeat us. We'll be fine, girl, I know I can lead us. I'm feeling the vibe inside. I know you're down by my side. Baby, it's okay, it's okay. Next, I have this candle holder here in a flower shape that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I am going to be adding some of our gold chain again, using the Gorilla Glue to this flower-shaped candle holder. Just adding the strips along the outside. Tell me who to love. No one can tell me who to love. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Hey. And here is the finished look for our gold and white Valentine's decor accent pieces. I love how it turned out. Makes a nice and elegant Valentine's decor for your home for this 2023 Valentine's season. I love how the crushed glass looks with the gold strips and the gold glam chain. Doesn't it look nice, the crushed glass? I think it looks beautiful. And our heart-shaped candle holders at the sides. I think they look lovely. Simple and easy to make. Just some paint, some glam chain, and you have an elegant piece of decor for your home. It looks nice and elegant as a vase with the two candle holders at the side, and you can add your flowers into the vase if you like, or just use it as an accent piece. I love using my pieces as accent pieces. I think they look lovely. Or you can display it this way as a candle holder. And here it is with one of the candles on top. So like I said, this way you're displaying it as a candle holder. I think it looks warm and elegant with this style also. I just love the crushed glass with the gold. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Makes a lovely, elegant accent piece. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you. I hope I haven't inspired you with a lovely Valentine decor idea for this 2023 Valentine season. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY and the different ways I showed you to display them. And I hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's video. And thank you once again for coming on and seeing the ideas I have to share with you. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone. I need